It's sticking to that long. Hello, everyone. I am back again. My computer was I guess laggy. I don't know what happened, but right now we are live. I am Jessica Lee Watkins, and I am here with J. Watkins Consulting. I thought that this was never gonna end, but if you're coming in, please drop a 1. If you're live with me, I am so tired, you guys, but I gotta keep moving. Drop a 2 if you're catching replay. And say hello when you're coming in. Goodness gracious, almighty God. I had to get out and come back because it started doing its thing. You know how that goes. Computers, PC, that's the way it goes. So thank you everybody for watching. Thank you for being here. We are on day 5 of 10 steps on how to open up your own business or how to start your own business from start to finish. And as you're coming in, please say hello so I can acknowledge you. But I'm going to go right in because I have wasted too much time already. Okay. So, from the very first time of the week on Monday, we started with refining your idea and what it is that you want to do with your idea, what kind of business you would like to have, all of that stuff. Okay. Second day was writing your own business plan. Okay. There's ways of doing it. You can get a template. You can go online, look them up, and they'll give you help on that. Day 3 was assessing your finances. Who do you go to get money for your business? Do you have an egg that you are holding onto when it comes to your business and wanting to start it? Number 4 was determining your legal business structure. Okay, what is your business structure? What do you identify as? Sole proprietor, LLC, a partnership, something. Okay, and today is to register. Today's topic is on registering with the government and IRS. Okay, guys, these are the most essential things that you have to know. I have 10 steps on how to start your own business step by step, just in case you need to, wanting to, you're definitely wanting to start your own business. I also have here a checklist that I laminated myself. Okay, and this is a checklist that I got from someone else, and this is something that I keep in mind whenever I go ahead and wanting to start my own business. When I wanted to start my own business, and this is for entrepreneurs. Okay, and if y'all can, you can. Okay, now you can see it. It's focused. Okay, business entity, logo, ownership, trademark, and name of the logo, contracts with clients. All of these things you're gonna need when it comes down to business, but we'll get into that later. That's a legal checklist for people that are entrepreneurs, as myself. Okay, I also am the founder and owner, or the owner and founder of Vibrant Affairs LLC, which is my event planning and wedding planning business. Okay, along with J. Watkins Consulting. So let's get in there, guys, because it's a waste. I've already wasted like 20 minutes already. So let's get in there, okay? So, registering your business with the government and IRS. Okay? To become an official recognized business entity, you must register with the government, period. Okay? Corporations will need an corporations will need an articles of incorporation document. Okay? So that means like a license from the state that you're in. You go to the Better Business Bureau or the e-commerce office, and you go and get your documentation that says that you are legal. Okay, because people are going to look at that, they're going to look into it, and it never fails. I always look. This is my handy dandy book. Okay, this is where I have all of my stuff when it comes down to my business. Okay, those are my legal documents. I'm gonna show y'all right now as well. This is my license here. And if you're doing your license, it should look something like this. Okay. This is, from Montgomery County, but I've had it and I just renewed it about, I just renewed it this year in May, because that's when I had to renew it. And I got it. So like that, you guys can see that I am legit. I got my certifications as well. Why can't I find it? Oh my God. But Lord have mercy, God. Where is it? I know I had it in here and now I don't have it. I might have it in my, what am I doing? I'm all over this place this morning. But just to let y'all know, where is it? Good Lord. I had to go because I had to renew it this year in May. So, and I did that. Now I can't find it. And it's usually everything is in my book, and now I can't find it. This is awful. All right. Well, when I find it, I will definitely show it to you guys. Well, it's on my it's on my thread. Oh, okay. It's on there. Lord have mercy. Okay, so let's get back into it. So you have to have that piece of paper that says that you are legal and that you are binding to your business, and you know everything works all in itself. Okay, it's a documentation for everyone to see, okay? And you're supposed to post it on your window so you know, so people can know that you are legit. Okay, it includes your business name, your business purpose, corporation structure, stock details, and other information about your company. So let's say you're going to a nail salon, okay? Because I love getting my nails done. You go into the nail salon and you look around because that's how I am. I'm very detail oriented. So I go and I look at the walls to see if they are legit because they have a license that has to be put out there so that people can know that they're licensed. Okay, that's how they're running their company. Okay. Or otherwise, you will need to register your business name. That's also something that you could do, which has your legal name. Okay, a fictitious doing business as DBA name. Okay, so if you are the sole proprietor, it's gonna show. It's gonna have it on there, or the name that you've come up with for your company. Okay, so mine's is Vibrant Affairs LLC. It goes over all the other things that I've done or I'm doing it right now. And as I'm getting registered, I'm adding another business because you have to put that under there. Because if you don't, then people will be like, well, wait a minute. You're one, but you're not the other, and you're not licensed to do that. Okay. You may also want to take steps to trademark your business name for extra legal protection. Okay, this is where this comes in. This is where my friend Dana comes in because she works with all of that stuff, y'all. She works with all of that stuff. She will get you right. Okay, she will get you right. She is a legal attorney, Esquire. Her name is Dana Thomas Esquire, and she's out of Atlanta. Okay, I met her in Houston in January when I went for my pricing 101. Okay, so you may also, you know, take the steps to want to trademark your business. Okay, most states require you to be a DBA. Okay, or get your TBA, DBA. I'm sorry, DBA, doing business as. Okay, that's what DBA means. Doing business as. What are you doing business as? A barber? What are you doing business as? A nail tech? What are you doing a business as? An event planner? Gosh, again, if you're in a general partnership or a proprietorship operating under a fictitious name, you may need to apply for a DBA certificate. Okay, it's the best contact. It's best to contact your or visit your local county clerk's office. Okay, that's the best way to go. You go over there, you sit down with someone, they tell you what you need, you break it down, you pay what you need to pay because there is a fee of $15 where I live, or $30. It depends. Okay, so you have to pay fees. So be ready to get that done because it's either going to cost you $15 or $30. I'm not sure, but mine was 30. Okay, generally there is a registration fee involved. There you go. Okay, so you have to think about those things. Everything costs money. Okay, everything costs money. After you register your business, you may need to get an employer ID number. Okay, employer EIN number. That's identification so they can know who you are. That is going into your taxes. The IRS wants to know what it is that you're doing and how they can get money out of you. Okay. While this is not required for a sole proprietorship with no employees, you may want to apply for it anyway, to keep the, personal and business taxes separate. Okay. Or simply to save yourself a trouble later, so just hit it from the door because, you know, once you get into it, you're going to want to hire people. So you don't want to have to think about it. Okay. The IRS has provided a checklist to determine whether you will require EIN to run your business. And it goes from, sole proprietorship. That's where some people or most people start because they don't have the money to start, paying off or paying into your business just yet. You're still working, you're still starting off. So you can register EIN for free, okay? And the first one is always free. So, okay? You also will need to file certain forms to fulfill your federal and state income tax obligations. Every business has to pay taxes. Every business has to pay taxes. The forms you need to determine by your business structure and a complete list of forms each time or each type of entity will need, you will need to, find it on the SBA's website. Okay. You will need to check your state's website for information on state specific and local obligations. Okay. Every state is different. You have to look it up. There's certain, go to your SBA's website. SBA's website, they'll tell you everything that you need to know. Okay. So just remember, what we already spoke about was registering through the government, okay, and IRS, okay, articles of incorporation, okay, the document, it includes your business name and the business purpose, okay, and the structure and every detail that you need to know about your business. Doing business, doing business as name, basically what you're doing business as. Anything that you think of that has a business, what is it, what it is, okay, what it is, a barber, a hairstylist, any of those things, that's what DBA stands for, okay? And also breaking down your employee identification number, EIN number. So you'll need those things, okay? Because the IRS wants to know. Okay, so if you need any help with those things, go to your SBA website and they will break it down for you even more. Okay, so there you are. Okay, obtain all your required licenses and permits. Okay, and that you can do through the SBA's database. Okay, because they're gonna require, you're gonna have to pay fees. I'm not gonna lie to you, you have to pay fees for everything. You have to pay fees for your license as well as your taxes, as well as your insurance, and you have to pay it once you get into the whole workout of how to start your own business. You are going to see you're going to need these fees because people. The reason why I tell you is because people will try to manipulate you and try to get you down on your business if you are not on point. And I say this with all my heart that I have seen people like myself as well have been thrown on the ground, stomped on because people want to get their way. Okay? So I'm just saying, cover your tracks. Okay? Have everything on paper because it's better for you at the end of the day. Okay? Get yourself a lawyer. Talk to a lawyer about business because you are going to need it. An attorney is always awesome when it comes to your business because they will tell you straight up what it is that you need to have. Okay? Businesses and independent contractors in certain traits are required to carry personal licenses. Okay? One example of a personal business license is a commercial driver's license. If you're a construction worker, you need a CDL. Individuals with CDLs are allowed to operate certain types of vehicles, like a forklift. Okay? So, just like we are required to have a license to drive, they are required to have a license to drive a bulldozer, a tractor trailer, a train, all these things that they do. Okay. You should also check with your city and state to find out if you need a seller's permit. Ha! Seller's permit. Okay. With that being said, I like to sell my treats. Now, I am not licensed to do treats, but I will do treats And I haven't gotten to that point yet where I do treats for everybody. I just do treats for certain people. And they know that I'm not licensed, but I do have a license under my name, which is Vibrant Affairs LLC. But I am for 2021. I'm gonna try to go ahead and get it. So there's no problems, and I don't want no problems with nobody. But it also is good to have it because anybody can get you in trouble when it comes to food allergies. But if you put that food allergy on a sticker and it says, "Look, I have coconut oil, I have this, on that, and that," and these people are like, "Okay, you have all that stuff," and they're not reading because I see that so much. People do not like to read. I don't like to read, but I have to read. Okay, I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna be transparent. People are crazy like that. I don't understand how you're not gonna know how to read something and be like, okay, well, I didn't know that it was in there. No, you wrong because it was in there. Okay, so certain things need a permit. A seller's permit goes by numbers, by numerous names, including resale permit, resale permit, permit license, reseller's permit, resale ID, state tax ID number, reseller's number, reseller's license permit, and certificate of authority. Okay, so it has a bunch of stuff. It's important to know that these requirements are names vary from state to state. It does not say that every state has that you have to um that you have to be in your state. That's why you have to look into the SBA because it's gonna tell you. Okay, so you have to go and see on their website. Okay, you have to register your seller's permit through the state government website. That's that's what that is. Okay, it's just like somebody selling liquor. That's another thing that you have to do. Okay, that's is gonna tell you exactly what it is that you need to obtain. Okay, so they have a little thing here that says New York sales tax generally is not required for a sale of most services such as professional services, education, and capital improvements to real estate, but medicine or food for home consumption, it does. If your business only sells medicine, you do not need a New York seller's permit. But New York sales tax must be collected in conjunction with the sale of new tangible personal goods, utilities, telephone service, hotel stays, and food and beverage. Okay? So that is why you need to go through your SBA and figure out what it is that you're doing when it comes to your business. Okay? Go to your SBA's website and figure out. It is very essential that you follow these steps because this is what's going to make you or break you. And I try to help everybody out, but if you don't want to listen, then I can't help you if you don't want to listen. And this is why I'm doing this breakdown, 10-day breakdown on how to start your own business because all the questions that you might have on how to start your own business, they're right here. If you are paying attention on what it is that you're wanting to do from start to finish, and that's how I am. I'm very punctual. When I started my business, I was, I knew what I wanted to do besides of what I was doing, and I was ready to go ahead and go in gun ho. You know what I mean? I also went ahead and started doing all the stuff that I needed to do in order to get myself together because at that time I was going through hard times and I have my daughter, although my husband works, and I'm like, okay, I'm home with her and I know what I want to do. I know what I want to, push myself to do, and I've been doing it. So, um it's just the legal thing about it and having somebody that's willing to help you out. A lot of people aren't willing to help you out because I have come across a lot of people that don't want to help because they're already in the system and they're already on point and they're already up here. But you know what? That could also change. That could change in a heartbeat. Okay, I know that all too well, and I tell you this because it's just fundamentally right to help an entrepreneur that's just starting out, just like you did, and don't think that you're too good to help somebody else out because you were there at that point and you wish that you had somebody else helping you out. Okay? Not saying that you need to take and try to get everything from that person, because you can't. You are in a different place that they are in. Okay? But it really takes the time and the energy to help somebody out. Okay? So, with that being said, you guys, thank you for watching another step on how to start your own business step by step from start to finish with Jessica Watkins, Jessica L. Watkins with J. Watkins Consulting, and also Vibrant Affairs LLC. And I hope everybody's having a great Friday as well. It's Friendship Friday. Hit up your friends. I'm gonna hit up my friends in a few. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do a Friday wind down Friday. But I hope everybody has a great day. Remember that you are going to be the best as you push yourself to be. Okay, so continue the momentum. Continue putting God first and letting Him guide you on where He wants you to go. Okay. I hope everybody has a great day. I love everybody. God bless everybody, and have an awesome day, guys. I'll see y'all on Monday. Step 6, day 6. Okay, guys? Bye.